My main job is online marketing, and I spend a lot of time making sure that it's running smoothly and giving good results for the company.
I'm Chief Operating Officer of Online Stores. I provide guidance and direction in all facets of operations.
I manage the accounting and HR department.
I manage the e-commerce marketing department as well as the sales department.
I'm the warehouse operations manager for Online Stores.
I oversee all of information technology, which consists of 3 teams of IT professionals.
I'm a shipping operations manager. I also take care of production, where we make the gift baskets, the flags, and the tea.
We take every inbound call, every email and chat, and process through with the customers.
Everybody works together and really tries to make the best decisions for the best interest of the company.
It's a family atmosphere and everybody works well together.
We have very good attitudes taking care of the customer.
The people that work here, they care about their positions and they care about their jobs. Online Stores is like a family.